Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss the future prices graph. The black line you see here represents the final price of your listing as currently determined by PriceLabs. Should there be any significant changes, a gray dotted line appears. This represents your last seen price, allowing you to compare how much your price has changed. The gray area represents prices in the 25th to 50th percentile, while the darker pink represent the market's 50th to 75th percentile. The lighter pink indicates the 75th to 90th percentile, and anything in the white section is upwards of the 90th percentile. If you don't want to spend time trying to figure out the graph, we've developed AI insights to make things easier. Let's take a look. Upon clicking on it, a price analysis appears on the right side of the screen. This analysis explains what the chart is comparing and highlights the most important details in your market, such as the high season and the low season. It also discusses any surge in prices for specific date ranges. Feedback is always welcome. You can click on these buttons to provide feedback to our team, helping us continuously improve. For those with historical data, you can compare your current prices with your historical performance by clicking on My Last Year Bookings. Blue dots or lines will appear, representing your bookings in the past year, including the average daily rate, ADR. To view your future bookings, click on My Upcoming Bookings to see the green line. If you want to change the way you view the graph, click on this dropdown and choose to view your graph for the next 30, 60, 90 days, 6 months, or 1-year intervals. To download the Future Prices graph as a CSV file, simply click on the Download CSV button. Another useful feature is the Market Book Price under More Options. Clicking on it will display a solid red line, representing the average booked price in the market. You'll notice the red line ends here. It means there's been less than 5 properties booked in the market, and there's not enough data to determine the average booked price. We also have Price Evolution. Clicking on it will display multiple dotted lines in various colors, indicating how much your prices have changed over the past 30 days. Lastly, we have Events and Holidays. Purple lines at the bottom represent any date that has an event or holiday, which typically have higher prices. Below the graph, you'll find a color-coded guide to help you understand what each line represents while reviewing your future prices graph.